If you're not sure what your children will do in the future, you should consider enrolling in a Met prepaid tuition savings program. Because with Met, no matter what happens, you have a plan for the future. Met is a safe, secure, and trusted way to save for your child's college tuition. Here's how it works in so many flexible ways. Met offers a discounted, age-based pricing structure. The younger your child is, the lower the tuition credit price, which means the sooner you start saving with Met, the more you save. But what if you're on a tight budget? No need to worry. Once you buy a credit hour in the plan of your choice, you can pay as you go, whenever you're able, for as little as $25 per contribution. Met is so flexible that if your child decides not to use the money for school, you get your money back. Or you have the option to transfer credits to any immediate family member. What if your child wants to go out of state? How do you plan for that? No problem. With Met, funds can be used at any qualified college or trade school in the U.S. Others can set up a Met account or contribute to yours, which is quite possibly one of the best gifts ever. Avoid rising tuition rates by buying college credits at today's price with a Met prepaid tuition savings program. Don't wait. Start saving with Met today. Because you can't predict the future, but you sure can prepare for it.